Today we're going to go to page 37 and look at some more figurative language. These word terms that we use that the author doesn't mean literally, but wants us to understand something without coming out and directly stating it. So we need to use context to determine the meaning of adages and proverbs and be able to explain the meaning of adages and proverbs. We already did idioms at the bottom of the page. So an adage is a proverb or short statement expressing a general truth, and a proverb is a short, pithy saying in general use, stating a general truth or piece of advice. Really, adages and proverbs are very similar, and it's not so much that you need to be able to look at the difference between the two as you need to be able to look in a piece of writing and point out, oh, there's the adage or there's the proverb when asked, and then be able to explain it. So we're going to start with two adages. If we want to get good seats for the concert, we should leave now. You know the saying, the early bird catches the worm. Well, what does that mean, the early bird catches the worm? It means being first gives you a better chance to get what you want. The second one, there's no such thing as a free lunch. I see that it says we don't have to pay for the food, but what do they want? Are they trying to sell us a vacation home or a speedboat? Aren't they? And what does it mean there's no such thing as a free lunch? Because you can get food for free, but what it means is that everything has a cost, even if you don't see it. So just because you aren't paying for the food, that food still costs money. Someone had to pay for it or grow it. Things don't just come to you with no cost. Someone's paying it, even if you're not the one to pay it. And we're going to look at two proverbs. You can't just say, Mom, you do too much. You need to help fix it. Wash the dishes, mop the floor. Actions speak louder than words. What this means is that what we do means more than what we say. And then there's the last one. You waited until they were already done serving the food to get your plate. Now there's only chicken left. Beggars can't be choosers. So what does that mean? It means that there are not always choices if you aren't on the ball. It means like your choices could be limited, and they could be limited for a number of reasons. Maybe you're late. Maybe you made another decision and it didn't work out for you. And then in the end, you just have to take what's left over. And that's where beggars can't be choosers comes from.